If you're seeing a Clipchamp login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether Clipchamp is stuck loading, refusing to sign you in, or showing an error after you enter your account details, these steps can help you get back into your editor without wasting time. Make sure to watch through to the end, because the last fix is often the one that works when the others don't. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp in your browser or desktop app and see if the login error appears again. Sometimes the issue is temporary and simply reloading the page is enough to reset the session. So go ahead and refresh the page and try signing in once more. If Clipchamp still isn't loading correctly, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the login process, especially if the app can't communicate properly with Microsoft or your browser. Try opening another website to confirm your connection is working, or switch to a stronger network if needed. If the connection looks fine and the error still continues, the next fix is to sign out and sign back in again. This can clear out a bad session and force Clipchamp to reconnect properly. In most cases, you can do this by selecting your profile icon, choosing sign out, and then signing in again with the same account. If you're using a Microsoft account, make sure you're logging in with the correct email address and not a different account by mistake. A lot of login issues happen because the wrong account is already active in the browser. Now, if Clipchamp is still giving you trouble, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with sign-in pages. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cache and cookies are selected, then clear them and restart your browser. After that, return to Clipchamp and try logging in again. This step often fixes issues caused by old session data or broken login tokens. If clearing the cache doesn't solve it, try opening Clipchamp in an incognito or private browsing window. This is a great way to test whether extensions, saved cookies, or browser settings are causing the problem. To do that, open your browser menu and click New Incognito Window or New Private Window. Then go back to Clipchamp and sign in from there. If Clipchamp works in incognito mode, that usually means something in your normal browser session is blocking the login. In that case, you may want to disable browser extensions one by one and test again. If none of those steps work, another useful option is to try a different browser entirely. For example, if you are using Chrome, try Edge, or if you are using Edge, try Chrome. Sometimes browser-specific settings, extensions, or permissions can cause a login error even when everything else looks fine. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, because outdated browsers can sometimes create compatibility problems with web apps like Clipchamp. One more thing to keep in mind is to make sure you are signed into the correct Microsoft account, especially if you use multiple accounts for school, work, or personal projects. Clipchamp may not log in correctly if the account you're trying to use doesn't match the one linked to your project or subscription. Double check your account details, and if needed, sign out of all Microsoft sessions before trying again. At this point, one of these fixes usually resolves the Clipchamp login error. Start with refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, then sign out and sign back in. After that, clear cache and cookies, and finally test Clipchamp in incognito mode. These steps solve most login issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix your Clipchamp login error, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and quick tech fixes. And if you're still having problems, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.